Hey guys, what's up? It's Brendan here, KBBM Vids. Haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks, but it's my bike check of my dance comp parts of the stem and ODI grips and stuff. It's a 2011 Kink launch. I got frame and forks are stock. Kink sprocket, that's stock. Demolition momentum tires. These are my grips that I got that I showed you guys. My profile racing stem. Kink Rex bars, and I used to have a gyro. That's what came on this bike, so I got new spacers. Get a better look on that. And then got all new brakes with a straight cable, all new everything, clear pads. I heard to go with clear pads. Burgundy Mission cranks, Kink pedals, gold KMC chain, Alienation burgundy rim to match that, and the stickers and stuff. And then chrome nipples, it's kind of hard to see, black spokes, Mission, black front hub, Weinman DM30 with chrome nipples and black spokes, and then a Weinman rear cassette hub to match. And see, they work pretty good. I like everything. Give you guys a little brake check here. That was just the sound of them. But so this is all my stuff. I don't know why it's doing this, but I'm trying to. Okay, I do need to get a new head bolt though, because this one's stripped. It came on my stock one.